and start now. Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Frederick von, can't remember my last, Fredenberg. And I'm here today with an alien body that I found. And today we're going to look at the alien body. It's hidden here under these newspapers. And okay, here is his head. Here is his head. Here's the rest of his body. See? It kind of he squeaks. Okay, now we're going to do an autopsy. And make sure, cameraman, make sure you got all the body and everything in the picture here. So
got it.
We're going to use several different types of tools in order to get to our goal of finding out what's inside of an alien body. Well, I have a ice pick and some other thing here, I forget what they're called, like things. And I have an X-Acto knife. So we're going to turn him over and split him all the way from the rectum all the way up to the base of his skull. So here we go. He's crying, he's squeaking, he's making noises, he's still alive. Oh my God. Oh my God. I heard him. Oh, he's killing me. He's looking at me. And his eyes are